Sun-Earth-Moon system. Size and distance. When we look at the sun or the moon, it is hard to tell how large they are. Often they appear to be the same size. This is because a larger object that is farther away, the sun, can look the same as a smaller object that is closer, the moon. In reality, Earth is 12,756 kilometers across the equator, its widest point. This is Earth's diameter. The moon's diameter is only 3,475 kilometers. In contrast, the sun's diameter is 1,391,016 kilometers. But the sun is also 149,600,000 kilometers away, while the moon is only 384,400 kilometers away. The moon is our nearest neighbor in space. Relative motion. Every day, in most places on Earth, we see the sun rise in the morning and set in the evening. In fact, it is the sun's perceived movement relative to Earth that defines our day and night. In ancient times, people thought that these changes meant that the solar system was geocentric, meaning Earth was at the center and the sun revolved around Earth. In 1543, German astronomer Nicholas Copernicus was the first to present a heliocentric model that placed the sun, rather than the Earth, at the center of the solar system. The idea was not popular in the 16th century society, which was very religious. The Church supported the theory that Earth was the center of the universe. In 1633, Italian physicist and astronomer Galileo was convicted of heresy, or going against religious teaching, for defending Copernicus's theory. In fact, it was another 200 years before the idea was generally accepted. Now we know that Earth revolves around the sun and that its orbit is slightly elliptical or oval-shaped. During this revolution, it is farthest away from the sun during the first week in July. It is closest to the sun during the first week of January. In addition, Earth rotates or spins on its axis. Earth's axis runs through the planet from the North Pole to the South Pole. Each Earth rotates around this axis about once every 24 hours. This is why there are 24 hours in a day. Earth rotates counterclockwise, or to the left, as viewed from the North Pole. This counterclockwise rotation causes the sun to appear to rise in the eastern sky and set in the western sky. The moon also revolves and rotates. However, it revolves around Earth. Like Earth, it has an elliptical orbit. It also rotates much slower than Earth. It takes 27.3 days for the moon to rotate once around its axis. The relative motions of the sun, Earth, and moon inspired ancient cultures to develop natural calendars and timekeeping devices that eventually led to the calendars and clocks we use today.